Now I will show you how to start the work and how to end the work. Briefly I will tell you how to start and how to end the work. Total working method I will tell you now.
I understand that actually.
This is the image file and this is the word file. Okay, how to start the work? How to start the work?
Start typing. I can.
How to arrange the work first?
Two parts of the screen I can make.
Two parts of the screen. So how to make it?
Resize and all that.
Resize. Okay, 15 to 25 pages we can resize it. So while performing the bulk data, 300 pages we have to resize it. How much time it consumes? So much time. See, so that is plan is very good. Upper image file and niche word file. Okay, so that plan is very good, but there is an option called, okay, right click over here, tile windows horizontally. In Windows Vista, Windows 7 it shows as a Windows stacked. Okay, just click on tile windows horizontally. Automatically it will arrange like this within 1 second only. Just you can remove this one to get more space. Over, you can see here, you can type it here. This is the working method. And start working according to technical sheet. First we have to work in. So what should be done first? Font should be in Times New Roman, right sir? You got Times New Roman and font should be in. For heading type करना पड़ेगा. Heading should be in 13, right? 13 is not there. We have to type the 13. Next page setup. A4 size and 0.3 margin. Go to page layout and page setup like this. 0.3.
I understand.
Right. 0.3. Paper size should be in A4 size. Default setting. If you keep it in default setting and click on S button, each and every page it opens with only A4 size and 0.3 margin. Okay, click on OK button. Page setup is over now. Now type the heading. End of the war. I am typing the data. End of the war. Right now I have to move it forward a little bit. I have to arrange it. So how to do that one?
Tab.
Yes.
This is center.
Center option. Okay. So apply. See, heading or your page number should be aligned center of the body text, not center of the page. Body text will be end over here, so alignment will not be proper way. Okay, and one more strong reason, as per our technical sheet, all your Word documents should align with only left alignment. You should not apply center option. Alright, so this is a left alignment. How to move forward?
I think one tab is there.
Okay, what tab? For example, tab option. Okay, tabs apply किया. देखो, these are comes under extra tabs. Okay. नहीं तो अभी तक जो बोल दिया one tab and create left tab option and drag and drop like this, right? So नहीं आता. Over. आता ही नहीं वो. अदरवाइज मे पीपल में सो स्पेस बार कितना चाहिए उतना मूव कर सकते हैं. सो दीज आर एक्स्ट्रा स्पेसेस. रॉन्ग वर्किंग मेथड. Okay, so normally to move this one, what we do means space bar, tab option or center option. All these are wrong working methods. Okay, so to move this one, so here in this ruler, so we have some options are there. So come over here. This is called, what is this one? First line indentation. Okay, first line indentation, and just you come down like this. This is called hanging indentation, and this is called left indentation. First line indentation, hanging indentation, left indentation. Different purpose, different indentation. ये move करने के लिए just click on left indentation, drag and drop like this wherever you want. Apply show high tool button. Is there anything? This is only the current working method. Nobody will do like this, right? Once are going into rejection means who will apply left indentation to move the heading? Nobody will apply. Okay, I am not saying that it is in correct way only. How to move forward only I told you. Okay, now this is the heading comes under one paragraph, then apply one, enter apply करके. So now start typing body text. Any changes? Font size should be in 10. Now type like this. This is only the work we have to do. Each and every and apply, shift enter like this. Data may not be clear. No, 100% data will be readable format only. Though the data which is not visible for you, you are not responsible for that one. Okay na? So 100% data will be readable. Like this you have to perform. Data is over, apply one, enter, type the page number like this, over. If it is single page number, again click on left indentation, drag and drop like this, over. So here we can arrange this one. See here, center of the body text. Okay, little bit इधर उधर, no problem. वर्किंग मेथड करेक्ट है क्या नहीं और डेटा करेक्ट है क्या नहीं देखना पड़ेगा. इफ इट इज 2 पेज नंबर्स, apply one tab and type the page number, and to move this one, create one left tab, just drag and drop like this. Okay, so apply show high tool button, over, one enter, shift enter, one enter, over. Apply the paragraph spacing and line spacing and save the file. Line spacing, don't select any data. Okay, just place the cursor anywhere and go to paragraph and change the line spacing. If it is double, apply, over. This is only work we have to do, we have to perform. Okay, now you please tell me how to move it forward. थोड़ा आगे लेके आने का है ना, कैसे मूव करना? हाँ,
फर्स्ट लाइन में टैब अलाउड है ना?
No.
Okay.
How to move forward? In the technical sheet I told you. So use only first line indentation.
Oh, okay.
Right? So where it is there, this is called first line indentation. Right? Click on here, just drag and drop like this. Apply show high tool button, nothing has come.
Yeah.
This is only the correct working method. Okay? So ऐसा करे तो 20 rupees to 28 rupees मिल जाता. A4 में लगा के टेंशन में लगाए तो आता ही नहीं. This is the total working method. Okay? Now what is your main responsibility in this work? What is your main responsibility in this work?